When M. Hamel announced that was the last lesson in French language to be taught to the students on that day, this left Franz dumbstruck. He felt sorry that he had not learned his lessons properly. The idea that M. Hamel was going away, this feel that his teacher was going away, made the Franz forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Cranky here meant to say irritating or angry or shouting, okay? His cranky voice. Meant to say earlier Franz used to hate this shouting kind of voice of M. Hamel. He used to get irritated by this. But on that day, when that teacher M. Hamel announced that would be the last lesson at that time, Franz forgot about his iron ruler and his cranky nature. Now Franz understood why M. Hamel had put on his fine Sunday clothes. Now, as if this announcement had made Franz clear of all his queries. Remember, he was getting shocked, or he was thinking why he had worn these clothes which he used to wear on the inspection days and on prize distribution days. Now he came to know or realized that thing, and he had also got the answer that why the old men of the people were sitting there. They had to come to thank M. Hamel for his 40 years of service and to show their respect for the country, which was not there anymore. So basically I have explained you over here the feel of the Franz, whatever he was having. Okay, if I ask you a question over here, why Franz was feeling sorry. Okay, he was feeling sorry for not attending his lessons carefully. Okay, children, this is the human tendency basically. Till when we are having one thing, one relation, one friend, we sometimes don't value of it. Okay, as when we realize or feel that we are going to lose that thing, we are going to lose that friend, then immediately we start realizing the value of that friend. So here basically the same thing is going to happen. Previously Franz was not interested in the French language, or he himself had told over here that he had never taken his French lesson seriously. Fine. So but here when the announcement was made that was the last lesson of French at that time, how sorry he was feeling. Okay, sorry meant to say he was feeling bad for not being attentive, and naturally where he used to get attracted for seeking eggs, birds eggs, and going sliding on the Sar. My books, children, here one more feel of the Franz you can get to know. Previously my books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago, so heavy to carry, my grammar and my history of the saints were old friends now. So this change or this effect had fallen on the little Franz. Previously he used to feel his books as a burden to carry. Fine. But on that day when he came to know that was his last French lesson, so he was looking at his books as if they were his old friends. Okay, I couldn't give up, and M. Hamel too. The idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and his cranky nature. So here basically he was having a fear or feel to lose his teacher. Poor man. Okay, it was the honor of his this last lesson that he had put on his last fine Sunday clothes. This I have explained to you. Why the old men of the village were sitting, I had already. Fine. Then back to the room. It was because they were very sorry. So here you are getting to know one more question, that why villagers had attended the last lesson. You know very well. Okay, 40 years of service, mean to say they had come to thank to Mr. M. Hamel's 40 years faithful service in that place or district, and they were showing respect. Okay, and they also wanted to give respect to their mother tongue. That's why they had come there to attend the last lesson given by M. Hamel in their mother tongue. While I was thinking all this, I heard my name called. Children, you know very well he was thinking all these things. Meanwhile, what was happening in the class? M. Hamel was listening or reciting the rules of participle. Meant to say he was asking question to the children. So now it was Fran's name. okay, was heard at that time, it was his turn to recite the rules of participle. Okay, what would I not have given to be able to say the dreadful rule for the participle all through very loud and clear. Mean to say, teacher had asked him to recite those rules very loud and clear. Okay, let's see what happened. And without one mistake, this order or this command was given by the M. Hamel, but I got mixed up. I who? I is our little Franz, little child. I got mixed up on the very first word and stood there, holding on to my decks. My heart was beating and not daring to look up. Here, Franz was not able to answer because he had never taken his lessons seriously. This kind of mistake mostly students or mostly people do, that whenever they are being taught one thing they don't value, when they do feel that they are having less time spared with them, or they are being snatched that right at that time, they wake. And naturally at that time, students, you people or those students will not have any other thing except regret with them. Here you are getting to know one lesson, that we should be punctual, we should be regular with our lessons. Okay, and in the practice also, practice should be done regularly at that time. So here Franz was not able to answer. Why? The reason you can write very well, that he was not careful in his previous lessons. He used to divert, or mean to say postpone his things or learnings on the next day. This is basic human tendency. Okay, I heard M. Hamel say to me, I will not scold you, little Franz. So this line is being spoken by M. Hamel. I would not scold you. Okay, little Franz, you must feel bad enough. See how it is now. Every day we said to ourselves, bah, I have a plenty of time, I will learn it tomorrow. And now you see where you have come to. Okay, that's the great trouble with Alsace also. He puts off learning till tomorrow. Mean to say, so here basically M. Hamel did not scold Franz. He was just making him realize that the human tendency is to postpone the things. This message, students, you can also have it with you, that we should be regular with our lessons as well as self practice.